Welcome to MathLab. Today you're on your journey to discover equivalent fractions using area models. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are fractions that may look different but are equal to each other. Look at this picture. Does each shaded fraction represent the same number? Look at the area shaded in each of the circles. These fractions are equivalent. So we can say 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. Now look at this picture. Are the shaded fractions equivalent? Do they look the same? Can we say 1/3 is equal to 12 by 36? Today you're provided with a lab observation sheet and a number of cutouts of sectors of circles. You are given cutouts of half, 1/5, 1/4 and 1/3 and butter paper cutouts of circles which are divided into 12, 15 and 20 parts. If you look carefully at your lab observation sheet, there are a number of circles. You will make your fractions by pasting the cutouts in the circle provided. To make 2 by 3, you will stick 2 1/3s such that the tip of the first sector touches the center of the circle. So right here, I have stuck my first 1/3. Its tip touches the center of the circle. And you will paste another 1/3 along the edge of the first 1/3 such that their tips meet. So right here I have made my 2/3. Now place your butter paper circle on the fraction you just made such that one edge of the fractions meet. Remember, to find equivalent fractions, the areas should match. So right here I have placed my butter paper circle that is divided into 20 parts. So I have ensured that one edge matches my 1/3, but look at the other edge. My 1/3 is slightly outside the butter paper sector. So do you think a fraction whose denominator is 20 will be an equivalent fraction of 2/3? The circle divided into 20 does not match the area of the fraction we made. Now place the other 2 butter paper circles to check whether you can find equivalent fractions. The circle divided into 12 parts and 15 parts match the area of the fraction we made. So, how will you identify the equivalent fractions? Count the number of sectors that overlap. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this fraction is 8 by 12. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 15. So, can we say 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 12 is equal to 10 by 15? We have found two equivalent fractions of 2/3. Have fun making your fractions and finding their equivalences.